Hello everyone. After more than 200 hours of work, Three.js Grassworks is finally ready and I'm ready to share the demo with you guys. So a little bit about myself. My name is Mohammed Bilal Khan and I'm a creative web developer. I've been working in this field for more than 8 years now. I have created countless 3D web applications for clients all around the world, and today I'm launching my own grass system called Three.js Grassworks for Three.js. So let's go over this demo. I will tell you a little bit about Three.js Grassworks. What is Three.js Grassworks? So Three.js Grassworks is basically a proper grass system that allows you to render grass in Three.js projects, right? If you are working on a Three.js project and you need amazing looking grass and you need it to be performant, you need it to span your whole huge world, Three.js Grassworks is the perfect choice. It is a really optimized system that runs on even lower end devices. The demo that you are seeing right now also runs quite well on mobile devices as well. And as you can see, like there is a lot of grass here, and currently it is running at 60 FPS on an M1 Mac, and this is running on 1440p. So like how am I achieving this? So there are a lot of different techniques that Three.js Grassworks use, like tiling. The whole grass field is actually tiled into different tiles. There is frustum culling, there is distance culling, there is different level of details, and there is a whole lot of other stuff that I am actually using in order to make this possible. So what I wanted to do with the demo is that I wanted to create a demo with a lot of other things as well, right? So there are a lot of grass demos where you can actually only see the grass and you can see a first person camera actually moving around it. What I wanted to do is that I wanted to add a lot of other things so I can actually demonstrate like how performant this plugin, this grass system actually is, right? So let's just go over the few things that we have in this demo. I'm not going to go over all of them. I'm going to focus on grass, but let me tell you about a few systems that we have in this demo. So first of all, like you can see the leaves that are revolving around the player. So this is basically a particle system that is moving these leaves, right? And you can see a lot of different trees, they are moving around, and so there is a proper tree system that is managing all that. There are actually more than 500 trees in this whole map. This map is actually huge and there is a lot of stuff in it. And everything that you see here, everything, all the trees, every stone, everything, they are integrated with physics, right? They have actually they actually have physics. So like we can collide with everything, we cannot go into the trees as well. So you see there is a nice house here as well, so we can just go near it, and we can like climb on the stairs, and we can just go around it, right? So, and the most important thing that is bringing all these things together, like making everything lively, is obviously the audio system. So you can see like you can actually hear the ambient sound in the background. You can hear the different birds, that the different bird sounds that are coming from different directions. If you are wearing headphones, you would actually experience that right now. So like you can also see like if I am walking in the mud, the walking sound is different. If I am walking in the grass, the walking sound is actually different as well, right? So now let's see. I have turned off the foot interaction, so now you see like it is interacting with the feed as well, right? So we will go over it as we go into the controls. So let's start with the controls. So we have different kinds of presets, right? So let's start with the golden hour. So you see now the color of the grass has changed, the whole atmosphere has changed, everything, and the lighting, each and everything has changed. The movement of the grass has changed a little bit as well, right? So now let us go into another preset. We will move around with it. So now here is rain. So rain is the preset that actually took a lot of time. So now you can see like the grass is wet, the stone is wet as well, like the samurai armor. If we go into like a bit of lighting, you will actually see that that the samurai armor and samurai is actually wet. You can actually see the ripples in the ground as well, right? So you need like I added a lot of detail into the rain preset as well. Now next to the wind, so like if we go to the wind, so now you can see like the grass is moving quite fast. Like you see, like it is moving quite fast. The trees are moving quite fast as well. The leaves are moving quite fast as well. So it is all synchronized with a single wind system. Now let's go to the calm preset. So this is basically the opposite of the wind. um, so now you see the grass is a lot calmer. Same goes with the trees, same goes with the leaves, everything, right? So it is a peaceful environment. Now if you go to the next preset, which is bound, so bound is basically a preset that it was inspired by Ghost of Tsushima. This whole demo is inspired by Ghost of Tsushima, but this specific type of grass we actually see in Ghost of Tsushima, right? So this is actually a nice style of grass as well. So I've actually kept the whole controls very simple. I have not added a lot of things into the controls here, but the actual grass system, Three.js Grassworks, it has a lot of controls. It has a lot of different parameters that you can actually tweak in order to have different kind of styles of grass, like like this one as well. Let's go to the next preset, which is moonlight. So moonlight is basically the night time. So you can see like these white trees, they look really nice in moonlight. The grass has become a lot calmer, and you see like there is like whitish kind of lighting on the grass. You can see the clouds. You can also see the moon here as well. You might see a few birds in the air as well. See, now if we will go to back to the sunny preset, right? um, so we can see a few other things. So right now you see we are in the high preset. Let's switch to the performance preset. So with the performance preset, the quality of the blades is a lot less. The density of them is a lot less as well, right? If we go to the balanced preset, so now you see we get like a few more blades, but they are not still as much as high, right? If we go back to the high, now you see there are a lot of blades, like the density has increased quite a lot, right? Let's move. Let's go to the ultra. So now you see with ultra, the density has increased quite a lot, and the draw distance has also increased quite a lot. Like you can see grass further in the environment as well, right? And it has also dropped the frame rate. So we will go back to the high quality to test out some of the other parameters that we have. So you see, as we get near the water, we can actually hear water, and if I go into it and walk a little bit in it, you can actually hear the steps going to the water, right? So this is also a little cool detail that I added. Now like wind strength, we can actually customize that. So like if we make it less, the grass will become a lot more calm and straight, and if we make it full, like it will go crazy like the windy preset, right? Let's go back to normal. And for the grass height, we can actually decrease it, like it is decreased, and we can also increase it as well, right? So you see like the grass is a lot taller now. And the simulation speed, we can also make it like quite slower. So you see like everything is in slow motion now. The leaves are moving quite slower, the trees, the grass, everything. You see, we can also make it faster. So like if we say make it fast, so now everything is really fast. The trees are going crazy as well. So we will come back to 1. This is pixel ratio. Pixel ratio is basically the ratio of the pixel. You can increase the resolution with it, you can decrease it. So we will go back to 1. And then there is the foot interaction that we were talking about earlier. So you see like as I'm moving around, the grass blades are actually going into the ground, and as I move away, they come back up with a smooth transition, right? So this is quite smooth. So Three.js Grassworks actually uses an influence map based system, right? So basically there are 2 spheres attached to the feet of the player that are actually drawing on the influence texture, which is being reflected into the grass system here as well. So it is quite flexible. We can also like change the amount of trail, right? So right now it is coming right back up quite naturally, quite fast. We can also customize that to have longer trails, and we can also add a lot more. We can also add a lot more spheres and attach them to different objects in order to create the interactivity with the grass. So like this grass, it can interact with other objects as well, right? So if I close it, so you can see now the feet are not interacting with the ground, right? The feet are not interacting with the grass. If I open it, now you see they are interacting. So I can open and close it. So that's it for the demo. And 3GS Grassworks is going to be launching really soon, and I'm really excited for you all to try it. I've been working quite hard on it. I'm currently working on some documentation and some other stuff, and as soon as it is ready, I will share it with you. Till then, you can actually join a waitlist. You can just press this button and you can enter your email here and you can join the waitlist, right? As soon as as 3GS Grassworks is available, you will get an email, and there is an early access bonus as well. So if you are someone who added to the waitlist and who joined the waitlist, and you also buy the plugin, and you are one of the first 50 buyers, you are going to get the code, the assets, the systems, every system that is used here, like the leaves, the water, the trees, the LOD system, each and everything. You are going to get it for free. So this is only for the first 50 buyers of 3GS Grassworks. After that, it will be available, but it will be a paid add-on. So I urge you to go and try it out. The link of this demo is in the description. You can go and try it right now. Check it, play with it, and give me your feedback. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I will be waiting for them. And subscribe my channel to get updated. I will be sharing a lot more updates here, and I will be making a very in detail video when 3GS Grassworks is actually launched. So stay tuned for that, and thank you.